So let's talk about the team, okay? Because one of the things you just said, you're going to put the team together here. And one of the names I couldn't help notice was Gerald Panetton. I mean, he's a big deal. He's a big name. He's done some big things. Is he for real, or is he just a name on the PowerPoint?
Oh, he's for real.
Right.
He is for this guy. One of the reasons that I was so pursuant of Gerald's involvement in the project, albeit, a controversial move by some people's opinion. But look, this is a guy who is extremely passionate. He has a track record of success. He doesn't mince words. So look, he's bought over 5 million shares of this company since last fall. He calls me 10 times a day. I hired myself the toughest boss I could have in a way by, he's the executive chairman. So like, this is a guy who is in everybody's business all the time. And it's exactly what this company needs, because he keeps us honest, right? When you wake up in the morning and somebody's on, you wake up to 6 emails from somebody and they're asking you questions of everything from, budgets to balance sheet to drill holes to how much you're spending on marketing. That's somebody who is driven. So he's real. This isn't a guy who we just, gave some options to. By the way, Gerald wouldn't take options. He said, I've made my money. I'm buying stock in the market. We don't want dilution. Let's save options for people who, can't afford to take this chance as much as I can. So, this is a guy who is committed. He's real.
Okay. And so he's involved. I mean, just again, remind people of some of the things he's done in the background, because it's in the PowerPoint, but let's run through that if you don't mind.
Yeah. So he was 12 years with Barrick, where he worked with, and you may get to the name, so I might as well introduce him, Louis Dion, who is effectively Gerald's mentor. He's a mining engineer with also a very successful track record in the mining business. Gerald will say he's one of the best engineers in Canada. I don't get to say I will take Gerald's word for it, because Gerald, after Barrick, founded Detour. He bought the asset from Pelangio, created the vehicle, and put together a company which ultimately sold for almost $5 billion. Now, with some bumps along the way, but like, this is a guy who's very passionate, and he's not the kind of guy who, will jump to any project and arm wave around it. And, this is a guy who, when he says there's something here, like, he means it. And he's like a dog on a bone. He just won't, he won't let go until the job gets done.
Okay.
So
you see
that history, I just want to finish.
Sure.
Though, that history carries forward to this project, because it was an immense challenge to get him to understand and see the potential. And it wasn't that he didn't see the potential. He saw everything that I saw and what we were talking about earlier, but he questioned whether we could overcome the challenges of the past. That was the obstacle with him.
So how did Joe Campbell feel about that? Because obviously Joe's the founder of this company. He'd been going through it. It's a very technical team, going through it a very methodical way, just not a markets guy. How does someone like that feel about someone like Gerald walking in?
I think after 6 years of doing what he was doing with all of the best intentions, Joe realized that a new set of eyes and somebody else to help shoulder the burden of responsibility for decisions that were being made technically is probably a relief. I don't want to put words in Joe's mouth. Joe is a very smart man. His personality is very even. He sees things for what they are. He's the kind of guy I'd want to have next to me if there was a car accident. He's the guy who would be able to just act, while everybody else is freaking out. So with that in mind, Gerald comes into the fray. They spend a day together in the data room in Ottawa. All of a sudden, Gerald goes, "Eureka! This is amazing. I love it." However, and starts to put the screws to Joe, and Joe says, "Look, it's fine. I'm a big boy. I've got my opinion, but I can also use an extra set of eyes." So they're working very well together.